So this one recording. Okay, so you go for this W3 school, okay, and then you search for the connect, okay, and then actually 3 also can use, right? Okay, we copy one of these to your this one. You select your language PHP, okay, and then you change to a localhost. This one your username root, this one your root 123, and this is your database name. So your database name is based on this one. Okay. So now open your Unity. Okay, open your Unity. On your Unity. Okay, so you right click create script. Okay, mono behavior script. Okay, so now this is the sample code. Okay, so copy this sample code. Okay, this one is based on the folders that you put lah. So in here we're using the localhost connect to.php. Okay. So this is the sample code. Wait . Okay, so for login, okay, you go for language PHP, yeah. So we rename it service as save to your location www here. We call it as a login.php. No need to type lah. It automatically will PHP. So now you will have login.php. Okay. So we type the starting again. So this one PHP. Okay, and this one PHP. So we try to get the values. Okay, so now is our username. Okay, for example, username is equals to the dollar sign underscore. Okay, then get get okay, get and this one so we put whatever in your URL. You can type name. Okay, so you will get this name. Okay, then we echo this out. Echo, so you just echo this one will be same with this one, correct or not? Or you directly echo this one also can. Okay, echo this one. So still remembers, right? So you can type username dot. So like this. So you will get the username. So for your localhost here, okay, you will need to type this one. Okay, we call it as a login.php. Okay, and question marks. What are it? Name is it? Name equals to, for example, Bong. Okay, so now you type the username is Bong. Is it okay? Okay. So now, okay. Now we wanted to use this method to get the data from the MySQL. Wanted to get from the MySQL, so you can open your data, and for your user profile, okay, we wanted to get the name from here. Okay, we wanted to get the user ID if the name is NNN. Okay, if the net, it depends on yours. My data is NNN. Okay, so now I want to get the data from NNN. So you can see the sample code. Okay, now we go to the sample code. PHP. Okay, so this is the select data here. This is the sample code that we are connected. So this one is the connect successfully. But we have the login, we have register, we have other database also, right? So we don't want every time also repeat this connection. We don't want to every time also repeat this one. So we using this one class. We using search faster include. Okay, so we use this one, these samples to include the PHP. Okay, so you see we include this one. Okay, we include this one. So you copy this. Okay, and then for your notepad plus plus, okay, we include the connect to. Okay, we include this one. So now we try with this one login.php. Okay, so when you refresh it, unexpected. Wait, oh, okay. Semicolons, semicolons. Okay, so now you see you are able to connect the first code. Connected. Because later we wanted to send the string to our Unity, so we don't want to display connected successfully. Once we already tested already, then we erase the code. So now you go to your connect to, okay, connect.php. We comment this one, we don't want to have this. We don't want to have this. Okay, so now, okay, you test with your coding now. Okay, it will come out with this name only. Okay, and I don't want this for testing. Okay, I remove this one, don't want call out as well. I don't want to call this one for testing only. So now we know it already. You can comment it. Okay, now we wanted to access our data. Okay, we wanted to access the user ID once we log in. Okay, if we know the user ID, so we can know other data also. For example, their inventory, their skill, their player state, their level, correct or not? So we just need user ID data for login. So we wanted to display. So how to do this one? Okay, you can go to this this one. Okay, PHP here. Okay, you display. So you can go to my SQL here. Okay, we wanted to select data correct now. Which one we want? We want delete, insert, or update or select class. You want to have the user ID when you have the name and password. So which one? Which you need? Insert, select, update, or delete class. You want the user ID once you log in, correct or not? So you are sending the password and the username, correct or not? So now you want to extract the data for ID, user ID once you get these two data. So what syntax you will use, what command you will use? Select, update, delete, or insert. Yeah, select, correct, select. So you use this one, select data. PHP MySQL, select data. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, this one is similar to our connect, correct or not? So we don't need to rewrite it. Okay, so we start from here. This is our sample code. Code. So we can just use this one, or maybe we can close it after this. Okay, so for our connect to, okay, we don't have the close, right? So we just put it, copy paste the code here, sample code here, right? Okay, so now this is our SQL. Okay, so this one actually, okay, this is the sample code. This is the sample code, class, correct or not? Our sample code we can get from here, class. You go to this localhost, you go to this localhost, you goes to SQL, goes to SQL, and goes to select, correct or not? So you say I want user ID only, right? User ID, so actually you can just write like that. User ID from user profile where name equals to n, correct or not? Okay, so like this. So we test, we test it. We test for it. So we go. So now class, this is your sample code for the SQL. So you will see this one, create PHP code. Can see? You click this one, so you will get the PHP code here. You copy this one. Okay, you copy this one. Okay. So you just learn. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, I copy this one. Copy. Okay, see this one and this one. So you can, okay, so now it will be sending the SQL and then he will get the user ID. So we wanted the user ID only. Okay, we don't want the first name and last name, blah blah blah. So we can remove all of this. We can remove all of this. Okay, just left the ID. And then ID is, this is the parameter ID. It's not same with ours. Ours is called user ID. So we change this one, replace this one. Okay, user ID. Okay, so now we go back to our this one. Okay, now you see, I put it bonds here. So he still come out with the ID 1. Okay, why? Because any of you know what is the reason why it's always come out with 1? Think, like things. Because you always n, correct or not? You always n, so no matter how you check also cannot, right? How do you replace with this one, class? Nobody. Class. Class. How to change this one? Okay, so you need to change to your username here, your username here. Okay, so you can check this one. Oh, because it's directly, so this one didn't teach lah. Never mind, we just, okay, so you can, wait, okay, so user, sorry, not you, the username. Okay, wait, okay. So, okay, we check our database. We check our database. With our database. So browse. Okay, so we have the name FFF. Normally it's email, is it? We log in with email and password, right? Now my letter you can change, okay. So we type the FFF. So suppose our user ID we need to come out with 2, So now we need to what FFF, right? FFF. Okay, so this one you change to FFF. So okay, so you need to have a connection. This one, username. Okay, try again. 诶，哪里错？第12行 unknown columns. Oh. Wait, 等下啊。Oh, okay. So we need to have dot that one okay, username, okay, dot, okay. So yeah. Okay, so the reason is, okay, you need to have the, because this one is string, right? So you need to have this one and the closing with this one. Okay. 喂，他以前。